Sid's mother, Ria, is working in the kitchen. Sid, in curiosity, comes to her and says, "Mom, tomorrow is 1st September, so tomorrow is my birthday." His mother smiles and says, "Your birthday falls on 1st October, and there is still 1 month left for your birthday." Then Sid says, "1 month? How many days are left for my birthday then?" His mother replies, 30 days are still left for your birthday." Sid is still not satisfied with her answer. He asks again, "How can you say that there are 30 days left?" Then his mother picks up a calendar and explains it to him. This calendar is valid for the year 2017. This is the month of September. There are 30 days in the month of September. Thereafter, the month of October will begin. So, 30 days are left for your birthday. Sid asks, "Do all the months have 30 days?" His mother replies, "No, there are 365 days in a year. These days are divided into 12 months, as there are 31 days in the month of January, 28 days in the month of February, 31 days in the month of March, 30 days in the month of April, 31 days in the month of May, 30 days in the month of June, 31 days in the month of July, 31 days in the month of August, 30 days in the month of September, 31 days in the month of October, 30 days in the month of November, 31 days in the month of December." Sid asks, "What is special about February?" Then his mother explains, "February is the shortest month. It has 28 days, and every 4th year is the leap year, where February has 29 days. And during the leap year, there are 366 days in the year." Mom says, "There is an easy way to remember the total days in a month." She added, "Make a fist, and starting with the first knuckle on your hand, say the months of the year. Include the valleys between the knuckles. The valley months have 30 days or less, and the knuckle months have 31 days. When you get to the last knuckle, return to the first knuckle and continue. Like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December." Let's recap. January has 31 days. February has 28 or 29 days. March has 31 days. April has 30 days. May has 31 days. June has 30 days. July has 31 days. August has 31 days. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. November has 30 days. And December has 31 days. A year has 365 days in total, and the year in which February has 29 days is called leap year, and it has 366 days in total. Sid enters in room and looks at his grandmother, who is knitting. Sid asks his grandmother, "What are you doing, Grandma?" She replies, "I am knitting a sweater for you for Christmas." Sid says, "I am not feeling cold now. Then why are you knitting?" Grandmother explains that she is knitting the sweater for the winter season. There are 3 main seasons in a year. Winters, from November to February, is the coldest season of the year. Summer, from March to June, it is the hottest season of the year. Rainy from July to October, it is also called monsoon season. It is the time of the year when maximum rainfall occurs. We wear woolen clothes in winter season, and the festival of Christmas falls in the winter season. Sid then asks, "Does that mean different festivals fall during different seasons?" His grandmother replies, "Republic Day is celebrated in the month of January. Holi falls in the month of March. Baisakhi falls in the month of April. Eid falls in the month of June. Independence Day is celebrated in the month of August. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the month of October. Diwali falls in the months of October or November. Christmas is celebrated in the month of December." Sid understands both the seasons and the festivals according to the months. Let's recap. There are 3 main seasons: winter, summer, and rainy. Festivals occur during different months. Republic Day is celebrated in the month of January. Holi falls in the month of March. Baisakhi falls in the month of April. Eid falls in the month of June. Independence Day is celebrated in the month of August. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the month of October. Diwali falls in the months of October to November. Christmas is celebrated in the month of December.